Hello, my name's David Ischak. I'm a technical trainer for Vokera boilers. In this short video, I'll demonstrate how to cancel the audible signal that accompanies every button press on the Vibe MAX boilers. As delivered, an audible buzzer will sound on each button press of the display. If this is not required, this is how we can cancel or re-enable the audible buzzer. The Vibe MAX is supplied with an audible beep that accompanies each button press. If you don't wish to hear the beep, we can change that and disable it in user parameters. Press and hold the menu button for 2 seconds. Select user parameter 006. Press top left to enter. Change the 1 to a 0. Press the menu button to lock that new setting in. Use bottom left to return to the main screen. There will not be an audible signal every button press now. Obviously, to re-enable, change the 0 on parameter 006 back to 1. I hope this information has been useful. Thank you very much.